Hi, good morning, you guys. Today is Tuesday, February 9th. I'm going to do your I do for today. We are going to look at this problem. So we are talking about perimeter. We're still talking about perimeter. So on this problem here, we have the side lengths of a swimming pool are shown in the diagram. Okay, I'm going to highlight these in the colors that they need to be. So our widths here are the sides. So we have 5 yards. We have 8.5 yards. And so those are going to be yellow. Our lengths are 17 and 3/4 yards and 12 and 1/4 yards. And those are going to be yellow. Okay. It says, what is the perimeter of the swimming pool in yards? So we are going to solve for this perimeter. Our formula for perimeter is P equals L plus W plus L plus W. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to solve for this expression here, which means we're going to go and plug these in. Okay, so our length 17 and 3/4 and 12 and 1/4. I notice that these are both fractions, so we are going to solve for a fraction. So we're going to do this like standard algorithm, and this is 17 and 3/4, and we have 12 and 1/4, and we're adding these together. Okay. Now, I notice that they both have the denominator of 4, so we can just go ahead and add these together. We do not have to try and convert these and change these to get the denominators to be the same. They're already the same, okay? So I'm going to just add these. So I'm going to start with my whole numbers. I have 7 plus 2 equals 9, and 1 plus 1 equals 2, so that's 29. Next, I'm going to go over here. Again, our denominators are the same, so that's going to come down and be a 4. And then I can add my numerators. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Now, I notice on here that I have 4 and 4. And because I know that if I had a shape, right, and I divided this into 4, and then I went and I shaded in how many the numerator is, I would shade in everything. And this would represent a whole, right? 4 over 4 means that this is equal to 1. So all I'm going to do is take this whole and add it to my whole number over here, okay? So I have 29 plus 1 equals 30, okay? So my length for this shape, my L and my L, is going to equal 30. So I'm just going to go and plug this number into this expression, okay? So now my new expression is going to be P equals 30 plus W plus W, because we've already added the two lengths. Now we're going to go and look at our widths here. Okay, so now we got to find these two widths, and we have 5 yards and we have 8.5 yards. I'm going to do this on this side of the screen. So I have 5 yards and I have 8. Oops. And I have 8.5. Okay. One of them has a fraction. The other one does not have a fraction on there. Okay, so I'm just going to add my two whole numbers together. And so I have 8. Make that look a little bit better. 8 plus 5 equals 13. And then I have 1/2. I'm going to bring my 1/2 down here because I don't have another fraction. And now I'm just going to take my two widths because I just added them together. So now my new expression is P equals 30 plus 13.5. I can add those two numbers together. 0 plus 3 is 3, and 3 plus 1 is 4. And I had a half here, so I just bring down my half. So my answer to this problem